Okay, another update. Hallpass Hero. This is going to be a super quick one because I believe I got everything working, unlike previously. So I was working on the settings, the settings options. So we're going to go ahead and click 7 here for settings, and we have three settings. You can enable or disable runtime logging. You can rename your database. I will add another one. I hope to add another one at least where you can change the path of your database. But I'm not sure about that one. And then you can also enable or disable color because there's like warning messages and it's red, and I mean that one's kind of minor, but whatever. I figure I'd give the option to do so. So let's go with number one first. So currently, actually let's just click one and see what happens. So if you choose to enable or disable runtime logging, it'll show you the current status of it. Currently it's enabled. It's enabled off rip. There's a runtime log here that shows what I've done. Uh, so you go log just a few moments ago when I started the video. And it shows you. I wrote this to help me kind of also like help me debug because I've been wondering like, man, what did I do to get this bug, and I can't recreate some stuff. So now it shows, okay, user entered the settings menu from the main function call. User entered the enable disable runtime logging menu from this function. So that's pretty cool. I got that down working. So let's go ahead and disable it. Actually, yeah, let's disable it. Okay, so you can see there was a colors, there was green, yellow, and red all in a few seconds there. So runtime logging is now disabled. So if I go over to my runtime log here, it shows it's been disabled. Now if I click anything from the main menu, such as the settings menu, nothing new will be added to the log. Okay, so runtime logging has been disabled. If we want to re-enable it, let's go back, click yes to re-enable it, and then user enabled runtime logging. There you go. So now if we click settings again, there you go. Keeps adding to it. So I'm going to close that now. And we're going to go to rename the database. So if we click on 2, on the left hand side you can see we have a db.sqlite file. So if we click 2 in our program, it gets the name of the database or any file with a SQLite extension in here. There will always, as far as I'm concerned, always only be one. As far as this program is concerned, I should say. So you click yes, that's the one, and you can rename it. So we're going to call ours Hello World. Hello World. There we go. And we should, yeah, that should be good, long enough. Okay. Make sure you want to rename it, and then you see on the on left here, db.sqlite is gone. Now it's hello world.sqlite. Now we can click on hello world.sqlite, and we only have one table in here. This is already generated as soon as the program starts. So let's go ahead and create a roster real quick just to make sure that that worked, and that all the back end is recognizing the correct SQLite file. So we're just going to say this one's called a test roster. We're going to go say yep, and we're going to refresh this, and there's our test roster in our newly renamed SQLite file. So we can rename our database now. Lastly, disable or enable colors. We're going to click on 3. Colors are currently enabled. As you can see, it's green, and here's yellow. Unless you're colorblind, I'm sorry if you can't see that, but this enabled is green, and this is yellow for those who can't see what colors they are. So if you do, would you like to disable colors? We're going to do yes. It disabled it, and now let's go back to settings and go to 3 again, and there we go. Everything is white. This would say, if anything is like disabled, it would say red. And this would also be yellow, but this is all white now. So we have now uh, done all 3 of our new settings. So yeah, we're making some good progress. I did the settings because I was kind of annoyed with dealing with the other stuff with like the database stuff. It was kind of a pain, so I decided to take a break and work on some settings. I might add a few more later on, but I think for now, these 3 options are good. So as far as Hallpass Hero is concerned, that is it for now until the next update, and I'm hopefully working more on adding students and kind of putting the finishing touches on for version 0.1. I'm hoping to be done with this very soon because I would love to go back to a different project, either a new project, either in C or start learning Rust, or work on my text-based adventure game in C and start rebuilding that with all the things that I've learned from this project. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a, what do they say? Give it a thumbs, smash that like button, shit, and subscribe. Uh, Leave a comment, and yeah, thank you.